Want to build an online store that runs on autopilot and sells digital products 24/7? In this episode of Internet Paydays, we're showing you how to create a niche digital product store using platforms like Gumroad, Shopify, or Payhip. You don't need inventory, shipping, or warehouses, just helpful, high-demand digital files people can download instantly after purchase. This is one of the most beginner-friendly business models online. You create the product once, and it sells indefinitely. No restocking, no customer service headaches, just pure, scalable income. Whether you're a designer, a planner enthusiast, a teacher, or just someone who wants to escape the 9-to-5 grind, this episode will show you exactly how to start from scratch. Let's dive in. Why niche stores work? Here's the truth. Broad stores are overwhelming and they don't convert well. When someone lands on a store that sells everything for everyone, they get confused. They don't know if it's for them. They bounce. But niche stores? They convert like crazy. Why? You target a specific audience. You solve specific problems. You build trust and authority faster. Think about it. Would you rather buy a budget planner from a store that sells 500 random templates? Or from someone who only creates planners for single moms trying to save money? The second one feels personal. It feels like it was made for you. That's the power of niching down. Choose a profitable niche. Now let's talk about how to actually pick a niche that makes money. Here's my proven process. Step 1. Start with what you know or enjoy. Step 2. Use AI to brainstorm. Step 3. Validate with research. Hot niches right now in 2026? AI tools and prompt libraries, financial planning and budgeting, business organization, journaling and self-care, content creation tools, education and homeschooling. The key is to find the intersection between what you can create, what people need, and what they're willing to pay for. Tools to build your store. Let's talk tools. The good news? You don't need a bunch of expensive software. Here's your starter toolkit. Platform, choose one to start. Gumroad. Payhip, Shopify. Design tools, Canva. This is where you'll create 90% of your products. Notion, optional. If you're selling Notion templates, you'll obviously need this. Free to start. Google Docs or Sheets, underrated. You can create simple templates here, export as PDF, and sell them. Writing and marketing, ChatGPT, use it to write product descriptions, sales copy, email sequences, social media captions, and even product ideas. This will save you hours. Grammarly, keep your copy clean and professional. Scaling your store. Once you're making consistent sales, here's how to scale. 1. Add more products. Aim for 5 to 10 core products. Create related items that complement each other. 2. Create product bundles. Bundle 3 to 5 related products at a discount. Bundles increase average order value. 3. Launch seasonal or limited products. Create urgency with limited time offerings. 2025 goal-setting bundle, available until January 31st. 4. Build an email funnel. Automate your email marketing. Welcome sequence, 5 to 7 emails. Weekly newsletters, product launch sequences. 5. Run paid ads, optional. Once you know what converts, invest in Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest ads to scale faster. 6. Expand to multiple platforms. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, and Creative Market simultaneously to maximize reach. 7. Create a membership or subscription. Offer new products monthly for a recurring fee. This creates predictable income. 8. Hire help. As you grow, outsource. Graphic design, Fiverr, Upwork. Social media management, customer service. The goal is to remove yourself from the day-to-day so your store truly runs on autopilot. Common mistakes to avoid. Let me save you some headaches. Here are the biggest mistakes I see beginners make. 1. Creating too many products before launching. Launch with 1 to 3 products. Get feedback, iterate, don't wait for perfection. 2. Pricing too low. Your time and expertise have value. Don't sell a 30-page planner for $2. Start at $7 to $15 minimum. 3. Ignoring your email list. Social media algorithms change. Your email list is yours forever. Build it from day one. 4. Not promoting enough. You need to promote your products daily. Create content, engage, share, repeat. 5. Trying to appeal to everyone, niche down. The more specific you are, the better you'll convert. 6. Giving up too soon. Most people quit after 2 weeks. Give it at least 90 days of consistent effort before judging results. 7. Not collecting testimonials. Ask every customer for feedback. Social proof is one of your biggest sales tools. Who decided to take action? No special skills. No huge budgets. Just consistency and smart strategy. Action plan. Your first 30 days. Here's exactly what to do in your first month. Week 1. Research and planning. Choose your niche. Research competitors on Etsy and Gumroad. Brainstorm 10 product ideas. Pick your platform. Gumroad recommended. Set up your store and branding. Week 2. Create and launch. Create your first product in Canva. Write your product description. Create mock-ups and cover images. Set your price. Launch. Share on social media. Week 3. Promote. Post daily on TikTok or Instagram. Create 5 Pinterest pins. Join 3 Facebook groups in your niche. Start your email list with a freebie. Engage with your audience. Week 4. Analyze and iterate. Check your sales and traffic sources. Ask customers for feedback. Make improvements to your product or store. Create your second product. Plan your content for next month. By day 30, you should have at least 1 to 2 products live, social media traction, and hopefully your first few sales. Keep going. Month 2 is when momentum really builds. Digital product stores are the ultimate form of passive income. Create once, sell forever. No inventory, no shipping, no limits on how many times you can sell the same product. You can build this business in your spare time, from your couch, with nothing but a laptop and an internet connection. The best time to start was a year ago. The second best time is today. Subscribe to Internet Paydays and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Comment below with your store idea, tell me your niche, and I'll personally help you map out your first 3 products. I read every single comment. And if you want the full beginner's guide with templates, checklists, and resources, check the link in the description. Remember, the only way to fail is to never start. Let's build something that makes you money while you sleep. See you in the next episode.